Yeah, hello everyone, Simon Homestead Belago. Welcome to this video. The purpose of this video is to educate you guys about exchange, okay? And there's been a lot of, exchanges popping up here and there with regards to TBC. But the bottom line about them is that none of them is structured to last, okay? And that is why I'm doing this video, because I had someone all the way from South Africa the other day contact me telling me that she is new in TBC. After equipping her with the Billion Coin app and gave her the automatic ticket to always contact me if she has any question. She has tried to sell within that space of period, within 48 hours of having a discussion with her. She almost fell into the hands of discounters. She has gone ahead to register on an exchange that is called Kringle Exchange, which we all know such does not exist when it comes to TBC. Okay, so the purpose of doing this is for the new guys. I've done this video before. If you go through the list of my videos, you will see the video right there. But I'm doing this one in specification to TBC because before I did a general overview of exchanges and it was a really long video. And today I'm going to talk about exchange in relation to TBC. Now, if you guys can see the write-up I have on the board, this is going to summarize what I'm going to talk about. So I'll be very fast about it. And if you can see this, don't worry, okay? You can still ask me your question. You can still subscribe to my channel. You can still call me on the phone, okay? Or email me to get feedback or ask your questions and I will answer them. So let me just straight into what is an exchange. There are several definitions of exchange, but I'm going to do this definition in relation to finance or money. Okay, so exchange is the act of changing money to its equivalent in another currency of another country. Okay, it's an act of changing money to its equivalent in another currency, in currency of another country. Sorry, in currency of another country. Okay, meaning that I can go and exchange my naira for dollar, or maybe exchange dollar for naira. Now, there's a process to that. Okay, that process involves me either selling to somebody, okay, who wants dollar and has naira. So I sell my dollar to him and he sends naira to me. Okay, an exchange has happened there. Okay, I can go through the man in the market, okay, who is serving more like a middleman who buys dollar as his business and sells at a higher rate to somebody else who wants it. So that in that case is having a middleman who provides the services of dollar to people who need it and also buys from others who have it. Okay, I can also go ahead to go through the official channel and sell to bank, you get what I'm saying. But the goal is that you see how this exchange is happening. Okay, something has to be given in exchange for the other. Now, a lot of you guys are talking about exchange of TBC to Naira, exchange of TBC to BTC, or exchange of TBC to US dollar. Now, in that case, there has to be a buyer, okay, and you are the seller because you're the one that has TBC, okay? And this brings me to the types of exchange in relation to cryptocurrency, especially TBC. Now, peer-to-peer is when I find a buyer who pays me in the currency that I'm requesting, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Naira, or whether it's USD, and I give them my TBC. That is peer-to-peer, which is still the number one means of dealing with cryptocurrency. Okay. The next other option is going through an escrow. An escrow is whereby I don't trust you, I don't know you from Adam. Let's go through an escrow. So the escrow is like a middleman. Okay. He sits in the middle, and so what happens is that I send my TBC and it's placed on hold in the escrow account, and you pay me the equivalent of that TBC on hold, When I confirm the payment, the escrow releases the TBC to you, the buyer. Okay, that is the job of an escrow. All right. So in this case now, this is what these two types of exchange is what is going to work for TBC, because TBC is not market driven. Now you might be talking about exchange like Coinbase and Lulu. Those are middlemen who deal mostly in market driven coins, because you can afford to buy it at a cheap price and sell it at a high price. But in the case of TBC, it's not market driven. Okay, you cannot afford to discount it. Okay, so you still have to sell it at what the price is. Okay, you still have to sell it at what the price is. Okay, now that brings me to the exchanges for you to be aware of. See, any exchange that asks you to subscribe with $10, $100, or whatever it is for you to earn ×2 of that is a Ponzi scheme. All right, pure Ponzi. Okay, any exchange that comes with a referral program that tells you refer 2 people and fill up your cycle, those are still Ponzi scheme. They call it the cycle system, whereby when you refer those people buy TBC from you, and when those people refer people under them, those people they refer buy TBC from them. Okay, become a cycle. Then what happens when somebody comes in and is not able to get people to join him? Okay, that happens. Now what it means is that he has already bought TBC that he already has, and at the end he still haven't sold his own TBC. So it's a cycle system. So you guys have to beware of exchanges that have these features. Most times they pack up naturally. Okay, TBC code is barely, nobody's talking about it. Krigo code, nobody's talking about it. Which other one again? They have come, okay, and that is why the TBC admin went to your back office, okay, went to your Krigo Cash back office and stated there, beware of any exchange, okay. So guys, you guys should be careful, especially new ones. Now, this brings me to the most important part of this video, which is talking about demand and supply. Demand and supply. See, everything in this life is about demand and supply. Okay, so right now with TBC, there is supply, there is more than enough supply, but the demand rate is still low. Okay, so how do we up the demand so that you can easily be contacted by people within your location to buy TBC for you? And that is the main goal that the TBC admin is taking so much time to, run the cookie program so that people will get earn cookies and have enough TBC. And at the same time, the rapid 24 hours program or 48-hour program, plus the recruiting exercise of giving you cookies for 100 referrals and the rest of them, we are designed for us to grow to 1 billion members. Because when you have such a community of 1 billion people, you have no choice than to attract merchants. Okay. Now, when you have merchants who accept TBC, okay, without any condition, it gives more room for people to want to join, be part of TBC. Therefore, the demand for the coin. It's all about demand and supply, whether you like it or not. It's always about demand and supply. So demand is low, but supply is high. So what do we do about this? We need to promote TBC, whichever way it is. That's why you see me doing my videos. You need to promote TBC. You need to even talk about it so that when people have interest in your location, they come to you. Okay, you mustn't do it in the video. You can do it in your own way, whatever is convenient with you. But you have to talk about TBC. Let people at least know. But you have to do it in a way that does not look like you're witch hunting or you're doing it like an MLM. Because when you do it that way, people tend to run away from you without actually understanding what TBC is all about. So that's why the TBC admin is saying that the TBC is a currency. TBC is not a currency with a mission, but a mission with a currency. So guys, I hope this is clear to you. If it's not clear, still inbox me via email or WhatsApp. Okay, you can still call me on the phone. You can still leave your comments below in this video and I will attend to them. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll try my very best to keep it within 10 minutes and I think I've achieved that. So to call your wellness at home myself, Please subscribe to this channel and share this video if you found value in it. Take care and bye for now.